Please do subscribe and tap on the bell icon for new notifications. Welcome back to Strujana and me. Today in this video I am going to show you umbrella style lehenga cutting and stitching. In this video I am going to show you for 3 to 4 years old kid. As per your requirement you can customize the measurements. These are the measurements. To stitch this lehenga I have taken 2 meters netted fabric, 2 meters satin fabric, 1.5 meter cotton lining cloth and 1 meter can. This lehenga is totally with 4 layers. Top layer you can see netted fabric, second layer is satin cloth and third layer is can and fourth layer cotton fabric. Now we will see drafting, cutting and stitching. Firstly I'll take this satin cloth with one fold with 2 layers. This is the cloth side and this is the open side of the fabric. Now from the cloth side I'll bring the fabric towards to the open side. Now it will form like a triangle. Here I am taking hip round as 12 inches which is divided by 4, 3 inches and half inch extra I am adding for seaming allowance and loose. So total it will come 3.5 inches. Now I'll mark 3.5 inches at the corner. Now from this marked point towards to the upside I'll measure the length. Here it is coming 4 inches. So now I'll fix one end of the tip and rotate the other end with 4 inches and I'll give markings. Here my lehenga length is 26 inches, so exactly I'm taking 26 inches. Anyway at the top I'm going to attach 1.5 inch belt, so I'm taking here exactly 26 inches. Now from this marked point towards to the corner I'll measure the length. Here it is coming 31 inches. So with this 31 inches I'll fix one end of the tape at the topmost corner and I will rotate other end with this 34 inches and I'll give markings. After giving markings, this is how it looks. Now I'll trim on this marked lines. After trimming, this is how it looks. In the same way I have trimmed netted fabric also. Now I'll place one on another and I'll give stitch around the hip round. After attaching netted cloth to the satin cloth, this is how it looks. Now I will attach these sides with 1 inch seaming allowance. Now we will see lining. Here lining also has taken 26 inches as length. This lining I am going to attach to the main fabric with small pleats. Here can I am going to attach to the lining. To attach can from the bottom towards to the upside, I am marking it 10 inches. In this way, after giving markings on this marked line, I am going to stitch can with small pleats. Here can also has taken 10 inches as length. In this way, after attaching can to the lining, I'll attach this lining to the main fabric with small plates. To attach belt at hip part, here I have taken satin and netted fabrics with 14 inches width, including seaming allowance. First I will attach these two fabrics by placing one on another. Here length I have taken as 4 inches. Now belt is ready. This one I will attach to the bottom part. Here I will take right side of the belt and wrong side of the bottom part and I'll give stitch like this. Once it is done, just with a small fold, again I'll give top stitch. After giving top stitch, this is how it looks. Finally I am going to attach this lace at the bottom. Here I am planning to give 2 lines. First I will place this lining on the netted fabric and I will give stitch like this. Once this is done, I will start second line. While stitching second line, ensure that there should be no gap between these 2 laces. In this way, after giving border to lehenga with lace on netted fabric, finally to the satin cloth, I'll give zigzag at the bottom. Here while doing zigzag, I'm going to share one small tape. Hold far side of the fabric bit tight so you will get nice wrinkles. After doing zigzag, now lehenga is ready. This is how it came. I hope sharing this idea may really helpful for you. Try it for your kids and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.